Let's explore smart AI tools that simplify work, automate tasks, spark creativity, and help you move faster with clear explanations, practical tips, and real workflows. What if I told you that in a single afternoon, I built 3 completely different software products? A production-ready SaaS application, an AI agent that can automate tasks for me, and a Chrome extension that works directly inside my browser. Just a couple of years ago, building even one of these would have meant learning multiple programming languages, setting up databases, configuring authentication, deploying servers, and spending weeks debugging everything. Today, the process looks very different. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built all 3 using Blink, walk you through the entire workflow, and share where I think AI software development is heading. Let's jump in. AI coding tools have exploded recently. Every week there's another platform claiming you can build anything with a prompt. Some of them are genuinely impressive. But there's one challenge I kept noticing. Most of them are really good at creating something that looks great in a demo. A beautiful landing page, a polished dashboard, a nice interface. But building something people can actually use is a different challenge. Real software needs authentication, payments, databases, automation, security, integrations, browser support. Those are usually the hard parts. That's where Blink caught my attention because instead of focusing on generating polished interfaces or simple demo websites, it's designed to help you build complete, scalable software products. The goal isn't just to create something that looks impressive, it's to build applications that people can actually use, businesses can grow, and SaaS products that can generate recurring revenue. So today, instead of reviewing just one feature, I'm going to build 3 different projects to see how far it can actually go. The first project is a simple SaaS application. Imagine you're a freelancer. You want a client portal where clients can log in, track projects, upload files, and pay invoices. Normally, that's a serious development project. You'd need a front end, a back end, a database, user authentication, payment integration, and deployment. Inside Blink, I simply describe the application I want to build. I ask for a client dashboard with secure logins, project tracking, invoice management, and a clean, modern interface. Blink starts generating the application. Within a short time, I already have a working structure. Now comes the interesting part. Instead of just looking at a mock-up, I can actually test the application. I created an account, log in, navigate through the dashboard. Everything feels like an actual product rather than a static prototype. One thing I appreciate is that Blink is designed to include the building blocks that most software products need, such as authentication, storage, and back-end functionality, so you don't have to assemble everything from scratch. For someone who wants to validate an idea quickly, that removes a lot of friction. The second project is probably my favorite. Instead of building an application, let's build an AI agent. Think of it like an assistant that can carry out recurring tasks after you've defined what you want it to do. My goal is simple. Every morning, I want an overview of my unread emails, today's calendar events, and my priority tasks. Inside Blink, I switch to the agent section. I describe the job in plain English, something like, create an agent that summarizes my emails every morning and sends me a briefing. Blink generates the agent configuration automatically. After that, I deploy it. Then I connect the services I want it to work with. For example, Gmail and a messaging platform where I want to receive updates. Instead of manually configuring multiple APIs and services, the process is designed to be much more streamlined. Now imagine expanding that idea even further. The SaaS application we built earlier doesn't have to stop at being a client portal. You can add specialized AI agents that actively help grow the business. One agent can qualify and follow up with new leads. Another can create SEO-optimized content to improve search rankings. Another can assist with marketing campaigns, while others handle customer support or generate performance reports. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks across multiple tools, these AI employees work alongside your product, automating routine operations so you can focus on growing the business. That's where Blink becomes especially interesting. It lets you build not just the software itself, but the intelligent workflows that keep it running and scaling. Now let's build something completely different. A Chrome extension. If you've ever looked into extension development, you know there's usually a learning curve. manifest files, permissions, background scripts, content scripts, testing, reloading the extension after every change. Instead, I simply describe what I want. I decide to build an AI-powered article summarizer. Whenever I'm reading a long article, I want one click to generate a concise summary. Blink generates the extension. What's nice here is seeing the interface update as I make changes rather than constantly reinstalling the extension during development. After testing everything, Blink prepares the extension package that's ready for the next steps of publishing. If you've ever had an extension idea but never built it because the setup felt overwhelming, this lowers the barrier quite a bit. The last project I wanted to try was something many businesses need today: a mobile app. Whether it's for customers, internal teams, or a startup idea, building an app for iOS and Android has traditionally meant learning different frameworks, managing separate development workflows, and spending a lot of time testing across devices. With Blink, I start the same way I did with the other projects, by describing what I want in plain English. For this example, I ask Blink to create a fitness tracking app where users can create an account, log workouts, track their progress, and receive personalized recommendations through an intuitive mobile interface. Blink generates the foundation of the app, including the screen's navigation and backend functionality needed to support user accounts and data. From there, I can preview the experience, make design adjustments, refine the user flow, and continue improving the app without starting everything from scratch. What I like is that the mobile app builder follows the same workflow as the rest of the platform. Whether you're creating a SaaS product, an AI-powered workflow, a browser extension, or a mobile application, everything happens inside the same development environment. For founders and creators, that means you can build an entire product ecosystem instead of managing separate tools for every platform. After building all 4 projects, something became clear. These aren't isolated tools. They're connected parts of the same ecosystem. You can build a SaaS application, create AI agents that automate parts of the business, launch a Chrome extension, and even develop a mobile app, all within the same platform. Instead of juggling multiple tools and separate development workflows for each platform, you're working in one environment with a consistent experience from start to finish. That consistency can save a lot of time, especially during the early stages of building, testing, and refining new ideas. Whether you're launching a web application, an AI-powered service, a browser extension, or a mobile app, the workflow stays familiar, making it easier to expand your product ecosystem as your project grows. The biggest takeaway for me isn't that AI can generate code. We've seen that for a while now. The interesting shift is that more of the surrounding work, setting up projects, connecting services, creating interfaces, and packaging software, is becoming faster and more accessible. That doesn't replace thoughtful product design or testing with real users, but it can help you move from an idea to something tangible much more quickly. If your goal is to build your own SaaS, create a product that can scale and generate recurring revenue, Blink is honestly a no-brainer. It gives you the tools to go from an idea to a real production-ready business without the traditional complexity of software development. If you'd like to check it out, I've left my link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which of the 3 projects would you build first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.